Today's question is, what is prime factorization? Prime factorization is going to be when I make a factor tree of a number and I keep going and branching off until I get to all prime factors. So let's start by explaining with an example. If I said 144, so what I need to do is I need to think of what numbers can I multiply together to give me 144. Thinking of my multiplication chart, I know that 12 times 12 equals 144. So I'm going to branch off two numbers that are going to multiply together to equal 144. From here, I need to decide, is 12 a prime or composite number? If it's prime, that means that its only factors are 1 in itself. If it's composite, that means it has more than that for factors. I know that a lot of numbers can be 1 to 12, so it's going to be composite. I know, for example, I can split 12 into 2 and 6, so I'm going to have 6 times 2 for that one. I also know that 12 can be 4 and 3. You can make them both the same or you can make them different as long as they multiply to equal 12. You'll end up with the same result. Now I need to look at my 6 and my 2. I know that 2 is a prime number, so I'm going to circle 2. But 6, however, is not prime. It's composite. So I'm going to split 6 into 3 and 2. I'm going to circle my 3 and 2 because those both numbers are both prime. From here, I need to look at my 4 times 3. I know that 3 is prime, so I'm going to circle that. 4 is composite, so I'm going to split that into 2 and 2, which are both prime numbers. Now I need to look at all of my prime numbers. I need to write them in order from smallest to largest. So I notice I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 2. So I'm going to write 2, 2, 2, 2. I have 1, 2, 3, so I'm going to write 3, 3. Those are my only circled numbers. If the number is not circled, I'm not going to worry about it. In between all of my numbers, I was doing multiplying. So I'm going to multiply 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. From here, I need to then use exponents for my number. So I'm going to have 1, 2, 3, 4 2s. So I need to do 2 to the 4th power. I have 1, 2, 3s, so I need to do 3 squared, or to the 2nd power. This is what my final answer is going to be for my prime factorization. I don't need to worry about doing the multiplication because I know it's going to equal 144 because that's what I started with. That's how I would do prime factorization.